Hey folks, we're going to take a look at installing this package real quick and make sure we can follow along with the text here. This will be fun. We'll use this for our first project as well. So I want to make sure we can grab this part here, the install.packages, ggplot2, come over to RStudio, and we'll come into our console, drop that in here. Oops, I hit the wrong button, but I think it's working. Yeah, it looks like it is. I think I hit quote instead of something here. So lots of stuff is downloading, goes pretty quick here. And then what we're going to do afterwards here, we're going to use it with saying, hey, I want the library ggplot2 in quotes here. So we put this at the top of our script. Now, generally it's considered bad form to add the install packages into scripts. We only want the library piece here at the top of scripts. And generally you put your library things at the top of the script here, not like halfway down if you're using it halfway down. So it's kind of up at the top and the rest of our code goes here. All right, cool, so we got it downloaded, so I should be able to use the library here. And then if we wanted to graph one of these things, right, I can go and let's go, let's see, the qplot, right? We can give it, hey, let's qplot something here. And again, if you do just a single one and the bin width is pretty nice here, I'm just going to steal this line of code. We want to plot, now let's not do X here, let's do our, how about our sandwiches on days. Sandwiches, nope, sandwiches on days. Sandwiches on days. There we go. Let's see if we can run this one now. And we should get, hey, here's my plot. All right, well, some zeros, some fives, some sixes. Right, so it's the number of times each value occurred. Again, we'll get into the text, we'll get into the example there and look at it, but we should be able to get it up and running. And then it's cool, it just shows us right in this right-hand side here that we've had before, right? It's not the file view anymore, now it's the plot view. We can go and see it. You can also look at packages if you want here and all sorts of fun stuff. Right, and then they wanted you to go through and do some help as well, right? So you can go through and do the help for qplot and see what we're going to get. Right? We should get lots of fun details here, like, and it actually turns out really nice. This is the help view right in RStudio, gives us a nice little view of it, and you can go and take a look. And it's even fun. You can go run some examples, which is really cool that you can go and do all these sorts of things. So lots of fun options for us, and we'll be making use of it as we go. Thanks.